Hey everyone, it's Brett again from the Headhunter technical support team. This video is a Sym-U video, which is going to explain how to calibrate your Sym-U to an existing Sym model. So if you had an existing model that was a Sym ZS, a Sym ZM, a Sym ZR, a 23QS or a 23QR, you can program your new Sym-U to imitate the output voltages of that existing Sym. So now to get it into the calibration procedure, you're going to hold down both your full and empty set buttons, which are underneath the green and the red light. Once you see the green and the red light flash, let go of the buttons and the green and red light should stay illuminated. This means you are in calibration mode. In this calibration mode, you can use the empty set button underneath the green light, becomes enter, and the white reset button is used to scroll through to the next Sym options. If it's flashing red, it means you're going to be in a Sym ZS. If it's flashing blue, it means you're going to be on a Sym ZM. If it's flashing green, it means you're going to be on a Sym ZR. If you see your little yellow light flashing, it means you're on a 23QS. If you see the little green light flashing, you're going to be on a 23QR. And if the little red light is flashing, it means your Sym-U is programmed to a Sym-U, which is going to read a tank from 0 to 132 inches of hydrostatic pressure. Right now I'm going to calibrate this Sym-U to a ZS. So I have my red flashing light, and I'm going to hold down the button underneath the green. That means that my Sym-U is now programmed to replace a Sym ZS. When programming your Sym-U, press the little button underneath the green light for whichever model you would like to replace. Your Sym-U is now calibrated to a ZS.